to number 16 a while ago. So, number 16, the graph crosses at the x value 1, right? So after that, we do f prime of 1. And then, after that, f double prime of 1. So f prime focuses on whether the function is an increasing function or decreasing function. And for second derivative, we're gonna have to test whether the function is concave up or concave down. Now let us apply what we learned in number 16 with this problem number 25. Now, by looking at the graph, where do you think the graph crosses? At where? At x equals 2. Therefore, we're gonna write now f of 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So right here, at x equals 2, y equals 0. Okay? Next, we're gonna test now for first derivative. So f prime of 2. So what is f prime of 2? Is the function increasing or decreasing function? Increasing. So if it is increasing, so what we write there? Greater than or less than?
Greater than.
Greater than. Very good. So greater than 0. Then I need you to write down your justification. Why greater than 0? Because you're gonna have to write, not just say increasing or decreasing, but you're gonna have to write because f is an increasing function. So f is increasing. Okay. And the next is f double prime of 2. We are testing for the concavity, looking for the concavity. Now look at the graph here. Is the graph concave up or concave down?
Concave down.
Concave down. So down. So what must be in here? Less than or greater than? Less than. Okay, the reason is concave down. So because f is concave down. So we're gonna arrange now. What comes first? What comes first is less than 0, right? And what is less than 0? The f double prime. Okay? So f double prime of 2. So f double prime of 2 is less than. So what's next, guys? The 0, right? The 0. That means f of 2. And then what's next? Of course, the f prime, because f prime is greater than 0. So f prime of 2. So this will be our answer. And then look into the options. What letter?
D.
It's gonna be letter D. Letter D. Okay. So letter D is the best option. Any question? Okay? So guys, I expect you to get a correct answer in the actual AP because guaranteed in the actual test in May, problem, of course, like this. At least 1 or 2 problems. We're gonna arrange. Any pregunta? No pregunta? Okay. Thank you.